Welcome to today's tutorial. Our first tutorials have focused on the gallery and how easy it is to start with a complete solution or fully customize those solutions to meet your needs. Today, we'll explore the AI feature we've implemented that will let you build your own backgrounds even faster. This feature capability allows end users to just focus on the background layout and get a quick assist with our AI feature that recognizes your object areas and builds visual objects for you. All you need to do then is select which visual you want to insert into each of these spaces. Not only is this a great time-saving feature for developers, but imagine how useful this would be for UI/UX designers or users that focus on the insights, visuals, and presentation. They can easily construct all these objects as they want them and then hand it over to the developers. Let's see just how fast this is. A lot of people start building backgrounds in other tools like PowerPoint, Adobe XD, and Illustrator, or Figma. As you can see, I've already downloaded a few of these images, one which was built in Adobe XD, and two others that you can see were easily created in PowerPoint on slides. These are just different boxes that were created with outlines, and another one with a gray background, no outlines, but just the outline of white in the boxes themselves. What we can do in the PowerBI.tips theme generator is create a new theme. Once we create that theme page, we can upload the image, and we'll upload all three of these to show you the different features that the AI functionality can implement. We've spent all of this time developing these background images. And what you'll notice over on the left-hand side is our AI auto layout visuals. And what this will do by clicking this is automatically detect the background images and create the visual objects so we don't have to do that. All of these are going to be aligned based on the boxes that you have. And then all you'll need to do is select the different visualization that you would want to place in this particular chart. The AI visual generator works very well in most cases. There are some backgrounds that, if faded out, don't pick up the images very easily, but overall, we found great success. These different visualizations are evenly spaced and have the same grouping that you would have as you created your original background. What this does is saves the time required to build all of the visualizations and have them aligned on each of your background pages. So all we need to do now is download the PBIP, go to our folder, and open our report. And just like that, what you'll see is with the PowerBI.tips theme generator, we've created a background using one of our own images. We've instantly added all of the different visualizations onto the backgrounds themselves, and we can click and add in any of the data extremely fast and easy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for next time when we will talk about the feature that allows you to use different visual layouts just on a different background color.